Did you know that one simple strategy could unlock a floodgate of traffic and sales for your e-commerce store? If you're not using Pinterest, you're leaving money on the table, money that your competitors are already cashing in on. In the next few minutes, we're diving into the secrets of Pinterest marketing that could transform your online business. Stay tuned. Step 1. Creating click-worthy content on Pinterest starts with the visual appeal of your pins. High-quality images are non-negotiable. They should be bright, clear, and reflect your brand's aesthetic. Think about the visuals that stop you in your scroll. Those are the kinds of images you want to create. Whether you're showcasing a product, a how-to guide, or an inspirational idea, make sure the image resonates with your target audience. Next, let's talk about compelling headlines. Your title is often the first interaction a user will have with your content. Make it attention-grabbing, but ensure it also conveys exactly what they can expect by clicking through. Consider using numbers, questions, or strong action words to entice viewers. For example, 5 must-have items for summer, or discover the secret to effortless style can spark curiosity and prompt users to want to learn more. Now, let's not forget the importance of a clear value proposition. This is where you articulate the benefits of what users will find when they click on your pin. Ask yourself, what problem does your product solve? Why should they care? Your value proposition should be straightforward and compelling, giving users a reason to leave Pinterest and visit your e-commerce site. Remember, the simpler and more straightforward your message, the better. Have you experimented with different images or headlines? And if so, which ones generated the most engagement for you? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with a path. Step 2. Creating a conversion funnel on Pinterest starts with understanding how your audience discovers your brand. Think of Pinterest as a visual search engine where users are looking for inspiration or solutions. This is your moment to shine. Start by crafting pins that resonate with their needs and interests. When designing your pins, ensure they lead to valuable content. This could be a blog post, a product page, or even a tutorial. By offering something beneficial up front, you begin to build trust. Now, what's a lead magnet? It's an irresistible offer aimed at capturing a user's email address before they make a purchase. This could be a discount code, a free ebook, or an exclusive video. Once users grab this offer, they're entering the first stage of your funnel. Important tip, make sure your lead magnet relates closely to what you're selling. A cohesive experience increases the likelihood of conversion down the line. Next, let's focus on landing pages. Your landing page should offer a seamless experience that aligns with your Pinterest content. It should reinforce the value of the lead magnet and clearly guide users on what to do next. This means having a straightforward and enticing call to action. Consider using testimonials or reviews to bolster credibility, as social proof can significantly influence purchasing decisions. After they've opted in, don't let that engagement fizzle out. This is where email follow-ups come into play. A well-planned email sequence can nurture these leads and encourage them to make a purchase. Personalize your emails by sharing informative content, exclusive offers, or even behind-the-scenes stories of your brand. Always aim to keep the conversation going and remind them of the value you provide. So, have you thought about what lead magnet could work best for your target audience? Step 3. Pinterest is more than just a visual discovery platform. It's a powerful tool for driving sales through its shopping features. Let's explore how you can make the most of product pins, catalogs, and shopping ads to elevate your business. First up are product pins. These are specially designed pins that include real-time pricing, availability, and product details, ensuring that users have all the information they need right at their fingertips. When users click on a product pin, they're taken directly to your website to complete their purchase. This seamless path from discovery to purchase makes it critical to optimize your product descriptions and images to capture attention. Next, let's talk about catalogs. By uploading a product feed to Pinterest, you can create a visually compelling shopping experience. This not only saves you time, but also allows Pinterest to automatically update your inventory. Imagine users browsing your latest offerings effortlessly, with everything available to view in one convenient spot. Shopping ads enhance your visibility even further. These are paid ads that showcase relevant products to users based on their interests and behaviors. They're tailored to reach the right audience at the right time, transforming casual pinners into paying customers. If you combine this with enticing visuals and persuasive copy, you can capture attention and drive clicks like never before. Consider how you might utilize Pinterest shopping features to streamline your sales process. What strategies do you think would work best for your business?